Hey guys, so I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing this flashlight I was sent. Okay, so I already started. Let's open the box. It's two flashlight that came. This is one there. I took it out already. Comes with the USB charging cable, two flashlights, so two cables. You can plug it into your computer or wherever you have a USB outlet and micro USB to the flashlight. This is it right here. It's very lightweight, looks durable. I have this one here. This is like from this company here. It's not so bright. It has a LED chip in there. This one is a LED also. This cob light, this one doesn't have that, but this body here is stronger. This one is strong also. It comes with two. So that's nice. It's good for a lot of things. We're gonna get into that. It comes with a little manual here, user manual. Okay, so this flashlight is super bright. It's a USB rechargeable flashlight. Has magnetic. It's magnetic here in the back of it, with a, like I said, the cob flashlight, battery included. It has a rechargeable battery. It has four modes, high, high, and you can say bright and low. And this cob lights, it has a SOS emergency calling signal, and another flashlight here, a strobe light. And it's zoomable also. You can zoom out with it from here, this piece here, zoom out and in. Here's where you charge it from. There's a charging port. This lights up green here. To turn it off, you just hold it down for a couple of seconds, 2 seconds I think, and it turns off. As you can see, it's like I said, magnetic. It held on to this one here. So the body, the housing for it is durable metal casing. Has like you can hook it to your belt, clip here, or to your shirt or whatever. Okay, so it's water resistance. Any angle the water splashes and gets it is water resistant. It's a LED tactical flashlight, high lumens. It's for indoor and outdoor, and it's IPx5. It's great for giving someone as a gift, like someone that likes a handy person. Is good for the camping, repairs, auto repairs, night walks, emergency, road trip, biking, hiking, fishing, boating. Great for the police also. It's for a lot of stuff. Do it yourself, for homeowners, emergency use. The length of it is 4.7 inches. The width is 1.2 inches. Is 0.2 pounds. The battery inside is 18,650 lithium ion battery. It's a pocket size also, small. You can carry it in your bag, your pocket, and it's good, like I said, great for giving as a gift. I do a lot of traveling and outdoor activities. It's good to take with you. You can give it to your kids if they like playing outside. you know, have it inside the room. If the power turns off, if you live in your RV, you know, you do a lot of road trips, like I said, it's good for that. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on, and you can see the brightness has two modes. There's dimmer, and that's the strobe light, the cob. As you can see, it lights up here green. That's the SOS calling, save our soul. It's good if you broke down on the road. You can use this, put it on top of your car if you're fixing a flat tire. Okay, so I turn off the light, I'm gonna pitch it on the wall, and you're gonna see how bright this is. Look at that. This is the low setting. Let's put it on the that's the cob. That's the SOS. Okay, and let's put it on the zoom. This is the zoom. Zoom out, zoom in. And as you can see, look how bright that is. I'm gonna try this one here. This one here is an older one, but the battery is good. And you're gonna see, you can barely see this. Look at, let me turn off this one. Look at this. It's barely showing. And if I put this one on, you can see a spot. You can't see the other one. That's the one there. Look at this one. Okay, so we here in the backyard. Let's try it in the backyard. This is the new one. Look at that. As you can see, super bright. And let's try the old one, the Defiant one I have. Look, you can barely see. You can barely see with this. It's bright, but not that bright. And this one, as you can see, has the zoom. Then you pull it back. That's what you get. Let's try the other settings on it. That's the cob. Let's try the SOS. Okay, so let's not do that too much before someone thinks we're calling for help. Okay, so if you like this video, click like, give it a thumbs up. I'll leave the link where you can get this on Amazon. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment down below. Share the video, and thanks for watching.